Welcome everybody to Vibra CIDEP, the talk show where students try to provide homeworks, projects and internal exams every week. In this occasion, we have Camila, Sofia, Jamilet, and Benjamin and Tadiu as all guests. Please give them a big round of applause, please. Today we are going to talk about the real CIDEP experience. With your question, what do you like the most about CIDEP and what would you change? Sofia?
I really like the facilities because they are very nice and modern, but I think the teachers should give a little less homework sometimes.
I agree. I also like the facilities, and I think my English has improved a lot here.
Same. The school space are very comfortable and in a very good condition.
My favorite place is the chemistry lab.
Of course it is. Continue, please.
But honestly, I think it needs more ventilation because sometimes it's get really hot.
What I like the most is that CIDEP teaches us many different things compared to other schools.
And what would you change, Benjamin?
Probably the bathrooms and the air conditioning.
Especially during hot days.
So everyone agrees that CIDEP is great, but sometimes the weather inside the bathroom is not. The next question. Do you think there's too much academic pressure or can students have a good balance?
I think there is pressure, but if you organize yourself well, you can manage everything.
Yeah, organization changed everything.
And are you organized? Had you?
Sometimes.
Okay. And Camila?
I think balance is possible, but there's not always a lot of free time.
At first, it feels difficult, but if you organize yourself, you can manage it.
But little by little, you learn how to organize your time better.
So basically, the secret to surviving CIDEP is organization.
And coffee.
Okay, fine. Next question. What's the biggest challenge of being a CIDEP student? Camila?
Can be helped with assignments when many projects are due at the same time.
For me, it's definitely the schedule. Well, in the first 2 semesters, and organization everything.
Transportation can also be difficult because some students live far away.
Trying is not to focus too much on the grades all the time.
And finish everything on time even when you are tired.
Honestly, CIDEP students deserve an award for time management.
Or at least extra sleep.
Now tell me, is the environment between students competitive or supportive?
I think both exist, but support is definitely stronger.
Yeah, students usually help each other a lot.
There's competition too, but in a healthy way.
Especially during exams and presentations.
But at the end of the day, people support each other.
So it's like, I want a good grade, but I also want my friends to do well. Exactly, yeah. Last question. What advice would you give someone who wants to enter CIDEP?
Be responsible and resilient.
And don't fall behind with the homework from the beginning.
Don't stress too much. Everything becomes easier with organization.
And try to manage the time well.
Yeah. Also feel proud of being part of CIDEP because the students has worked really hard.
Oh, that was actually very inspirational. Please give them another applause, please. Well done. It was Vibra CIDEP.
And teamwork helps a lot.
Teamwork helps a lot.
And sleep is important when it's possible.
Well, bye everyone.